Hi, my name's Paul and welcome back to the garage. As I mentioned in my last video on the crosscut sled, I was still waiting on the stop block for it, and it's finally arrived. It's the Katz-Moses No Deflection stop block, and in all fairness, I was waiting a long time for it. It was sent on the 11th of May, and after that you can't really blame anybody. I borrowed the postal service for how long it takes to get here, but anyway, it's here now, so we'll get it open and get a quick look at it. See what we're dealing with. Good. And here we go. I'll tighten these down so they don't fall out. What else I got? Oh yeah, I've got a little sticker as well, which we can stick up. Yeah, I don't think you can see it behind me, but I've got a little rag and bone brown sticker over there, so we'll maybe stick it up beside that. So yeah, that's it. Let's get the crosscut sled out and make sure it's going to fit okay. Move this back. Oh. Okay, there we go. So as we say, move it about. It's adjustable depending on what your fence is. Tighten that down at that. We've got our micro adjustment that just fits just nicely in mine there on the second one down. Obviously you can go to whatever height suits, but this looks like it's going to be the right height for me here. God. And as we say, we've got some micro adjustment there, finger tight. Oh, not tight enough. There we go. So yeah, excellent. Okay, so we've had camera battery die, so we're going to go to the backup mobile phone. So yeah, pretty simple. I wish this had arrived before the weekend. I'm currently sort of halfway through. I'm making a little mobile cabinet with some storage on it for the pillar drill to sit on, and I had a lot of repeatable cuts to make. Yeah, using the crosscut sled, which you'll see in that video when it comes out. It would have been nice to have it then. We've had to make do with a little scrap piece of wood kind of clamped on, and you know, done the job. But something like this is quicker and easier, and look, I'm sure it'll serve me very well in the future as well, but I just want to make a wee quick video, I suppose. But I'll leave it at that, and I hope you'll all join me in watching the build video for the little mobile cabinet. So anyway, see yous.